Hello students, welcome to science class. Today we are going to start with question and answers of chapter 1 of class 6, and that is components of food. We will be discussing question and answers from this chapter. So let us immediately start. The first question is, name the major nutrients in our food. So what is the answer to this question? The answer to this question is the major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, vitamins, minerals and dietary fibers. Okay, whatever food we eat, especially all the Indian dishes, they are rich in carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, because we make sure that all kind of food is there. So in a way we get a balanced diet. Let us move on to the next question. Second question is, name the following. And in that, the first is the nutrients which mainly give energy to our body. The answer is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate gives us energy. Then B question is the nutrient that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. The answer is proteins and minerals. Proteins and minerals are required for the growth and maintenance of our body, especially the children who are growing up. Okay, as the adults, remember that adults, of course, they also need proteins and minerals, but children, they are growing up, and that's why they need proteins and minerals in larger amount. C question is a vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. What is the answer? Vitamin A. Vitamin A helps us to maintain a good eyesight. Then D question is mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. Yes, the correct answer is calcium. Okay, calcium is required to keep our bones healthy. Third question, name two foods each rich in fats. The answer is cream butter. Then starch, the answer is rice wheat. Then dietary fiber, the answer is whole grains, raw vegetables, whereas protein, we get it in milk, soya bean. Remember that they have asked for two food items. That's why we have named only two. Okay, there are many more food items which are rich in protein or dietary fiber or starch or fats. But they have asked us to, so we have written two. Okay, fourth question. Tick the statements that are correct. First, by eating rice alone, we can fulfill the nutritional requirements of our body. Okay, think on this. Second is, deficiency disease can be prevented by eating balanced diet. Okay, then C is balanced diet for the body should contain variety of food items. And D is meat alone is sufficient to provide all the nutrients to the body. Remember that in this, deficiency can be prevented by eating balanced diet is correct. And balanced diet for the body should contain variety of food items, which is C statement is correct. The A and D statement, by eating rice alone, can we fulfill nutritional value? No, we cannot. Similarly, meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to our body. Is it correct? No, this is also a wrong statement. Let us move on to the last question for the day, fill in the blanks. First question. Dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. The answer to this question is rickets. Rickets is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Let us see the diagram. Okay, as you can see here, this is a normal body. Okay, over here if you can see, this is a normal body which is not deficient of vitamin D, whereas this body is deficient of vitamin D, and this is how the bones bend because of rickets. Let us see next question. Deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. What is the answer? Right, vitamin B1. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes a disease known as beriberi. Then C fill in the blank is deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as dash. The answer is scurvy. And here is a diagram. Okay, if you can see it clearly, this is a diagram what happens to the teeth if the person is facing scurvy. The next is night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our food. What is the answer? Vitamin A. Night blindness is caused by deficiency of vitamin A in our food. Okay students, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. You can put your questions in comment box. See you during next session with a new topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.